Do you know there is a mudra especially designed for insomnia in yogic science, which we called SHAKTI MUDRA? Now let us start with the meaning of SHAKTI MUDRA, which is also called Shakti Chalana Mudra. It is actually a hand gesture in yoga that is targeted to reduce your sleeping disorders. Actually, Shakti Mudra targets to improve and enhance your mental and physical well-being. Shakti is actually another name of goddess Durga, who resembles strength and power. So this hand Shakti Mudra also targets to enhance your inner strength and power, so you can get stability in life in the long term. How to practice Shakti Mudra? Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit in Sukhasana or normal cross-leg position, and you need to sit on a mat or on a regular carpet. Many experts have strongly advised not to sit directly on the floor. This is because it is believed that there are some radiations from the floor which will not be good while practicing any form of mudra. You can sit with your eyes closed. You need to place your thumb in the palm at the bottom of your little finger, and now bend other fingers like middle and index loosely and gradually over your thumb. Make sure you're joining both the hands while you're doing this mudra. And next you have to focus on your breathing in the pelvis area. Now slow down your exhalation gradually. Try to exhale very slowly. Probably you can make a count in exhalation. Try to exhale probably 6 to 8 counts or 6 to 8 seconds. This will make the mudra more effective. Now I am going to talk about benefits of Shakti Mudra. There are many benefits of practicing this mudra. The major benefits I am going to discuss here. Shakti Mudra has an intensifying effect in the lower chest area. It increases the immunity, which makes the entire internal system activated and extremely healthy. Second, regular practice of Shakti Mudra has a calming effect on the entire body. This brings you long-term peace and stability. The entire practice has a good effect on your sleeping pattern. After some time of regular practice of Shakti Mudra, you will notice your sleeping hours have gradually improved and intensified. Also, this mudra, this hand gesture, precisely has a calming effect on the pelvis area. You can practice Shakti Mudra at any time you want, but I suggest doing it only 3 times a day for at least 12 minutes to get maximum benefits. So keep practicing this beautiful mudra and get rid of all the sleeping problems.